For the final act of the evening, brought to you by the students of classes 7 to 9.
In the beginning, before words, music or movement, there was none. The first vibration, the first sound. So today, our graceful girls of Daffodil High School carry that ancient rhythm into a breathtaking performance.
So, as we bring you to the end of this show, let's end it with some divine touch with the Naad dance.
Each rasa is a therapy for the spirit. Through bhakti, we learn faith. Through shingara, we discover love. Through karuna, we heal wounds. Through veera, we regain strength. Through hasya, we awaken joy. Through rudra, we release pain. And through ananda, we return to peace. Before rhythm was born, there was silence. Before movement, there was breath. From that silence emerged Naad, the sacred vibration that gave birth to dance. Thou hast made me endless, such is thy pleasure, the frail vessel thou enticed again and again, and fillest it ever with fresh life.
प्रणवालय पाहि परिपालय परमेशि कमलालय श्रीदेवी कुरिपिंसवे करुणा जननी नाद विनोदिनी भुवन पालिनी भे अनाथ रक्षणी विधिकारते मोरवीचे ఆలోచనే నిరంతరం నీకు నివాళినివ్వాలని నాలో ఆవేదనే నువ్వు ఆదరించేలా నివేదనవ్వాలని దేహమునే जननी नाद विनोदिनी भुवन पालिनी भे
love, the red hue of surrender, the fragrance of union. Love transfers to surrender. The body became flame, the dance became prayer. The devote burns not in pain, but in the heat.
देखो देखो तुझको मैं होके निहार, देखो देखो तुझको मैं होके निहार, छूलो कोरा मोरा कांच सा तन नैन भर क्या रंग निहार, मोहे रंग दो लाल नंद के लाल लाल, छिड़ो नहीं बस रंग दो लाल, मोहे रंग दो लाल। रोड़ी कलाई मोरी, मरोड़ी कलाई मोरी हाँ, कलाई मोरी हाँ, कलाई मरोड़ी कलाई मोरी, चूड़ी चटकाई इतराई तो चोरी से गरबा लगाई, हरी ये चुनरिया जो झटके से छीनी, हरी ये चुनरिया जो झटके से छीनी, मैं तो रंगे हरे हरे के रंग लाज से गुलाबी गाल, मोहे रंग दो लाल नंद के लाल लाल, छिड़ो नहीं बस रंग दो लाल, मोहे रंग दो लाल।
When the beloved departs, the heart becomes a shrine of waiting. Yet in every tears hides the reflection of faith. From the ashes of devotion rises longing, a quiet yearning for the eternal home.
रघुवर तेरी राह निहारे, रघुवर तेरी राह निहारे, सातों जन्म से सिया, घर मोरे परदेसिया, आओ पधारो पिया, घर मोरे परदेसिया, आओ पधारो पिया।
The divine arrives, the air fills with rhythm, and the soul rejoices in every breath. And when the beloved arrives, time cases, eyes turn into lamps, hearts into torches. This is no meeting of two, but a margin of salt and divine. आज रंग है रीमा रंग
Let's raise your voice for Tony Mama.
मेरे ढोलना मेरे प्यार की धुन मेरे ढोलना सुन मेरे ढोलना मेरे प्यार की धुन मेरे ढोलना सुन मेरी चाहते तो फिजा में बहे जिंदा रहे होके मेरे प्यार की मेरे ढोलने भी तुझको चाहेगा दिल तुझे ही बेचैनियों में पाएगा दिल मेरे हिस्सों के साए में ताकि खुशबू है तेरी नैन का जीना मेरे रूप रंग में तू है मेरी चूड़ियों की खनखन से तेरी सदाएं आती है ये दूरियां हमेशा ही नजदीक आती है
सारी धन निधम मग सनि धनि सगम
I, Miss Samuel, from HM of Daffodil High School, Shamshuluddha, on behalf of Ijaz sir, Shazda ma'am, Shakil sir, and Janet ma'am, thank you all parents for coming in great numbers to witness our annual day program. As we wind up this wonderful evening, I would like to thank our dear parents for their constant support and encouragement. Your presence truly inspired our children. A heartfelt thanks to our amazing teachers whose hard work and dedication made every performance this evening shine. We are guiding lights behind our students' success. To our young performers, you were simply outstanding. You made us all proud. Thank you to everyone who helped to make this event a grand success. Together as parents, teachers and students, let's keep growing and celebrating each child's talent. Have a lovely evening and thank you once again.
Every smile, every shining eye is a tribute to the efforts of hundreds. Thank you for being such an energetic and lovely audience.
We now invite Janet ma'am to extend her heartfelt gratitude through a vote of thanks.
As we bring this beautiful evening to a close, it is with great joy and gratitude that I stand before you to deliver the vote of thanks. Today has been more than an event. It has been a celebration of 25 years of hard work, dedication, unity, and the incredible spirit that binds our school family together. First and foremost, I would like to express my heartfelt appreciation and a warm thanks to all the management heads, the staffs, the coordinators. Your continuous guidance, support and tireless efforts behind the scenes ensure that our school continues to grow, progress and create opportunities for our students to shine. Your commitment truly strengthens the foundation on which we stand. Your leadership is the light that guides us. Your encouragement is the strength that motivates us, and your care for every child reflects in every success we witness today. We are blessed to have such inspiring leaders. To our wonderful, hardworking teachers and fellows, thank you for pouring your hearts into every practice, every rehearsal, and every child. The beauty of today's performances was a reflection of your dedication, patience, and love for teaching. You shape futures every single day, and we deeply value the passion you bring to this school. You are the silent heroes of today's event. Whether it was managing the backstage, preparing the children, arranging the props, or ensuring everything moves smoothly, your efforts created the perfect atmosphere for this wonderful evening. To our very supportive parents, thank you very much for your trust and encouragement. Your involvement and constant motivation to give your children the confidence to stand tall, explore their abilities, and showcase their talents with pride. Your presence here tonight has added meaning to every moment. A special appreciation and thanks goes to our amazing anchors, Danish and Samir, for hosting such a wonderful evening for all of us. A huge round of applause for both of them. Also, a big thank you to the volunteers and the school didis. Finally, to our brilliant students, you were absolutely outstanding. Each performance was filled with energy, effort, and joy. You reminded that every child has a unique spark, and when given the right support and love, that spark turns into a bright, shining flame. May you continue to dream bravely, work sincerely, and believe deeply in your abilities. The future belongs to you. As we step forward from today, let us carry the spirit of teamwork and togetherness with us. Let us continue to nurture an environment where every child feels valued, every teacher feels appreciated, and every parent feels connected. Together we can build a future where our children grow not just in knowledge but in confidence, kindness, and courage. Thank you once again for joining us and making this evening so memorable. Wish you all a peaceful night and a beautiful journey ahead. Everyone, kindly please wait for our anchors to end the show with their message. Thank you once again.
Thank you, ma'am, for those lovely words. What a journey from innocence to insight, from laughter to reflection, from movement to meaning. Thank you, everyone, for giving your hearts to this celebration.
Until next time, stay inspired, stay blessed, stay extraordinary. Goodbye. May your life shine as brilliantly as this beautiful day. Good night and reach home safely. This is your host team signing off.